The weekly 9-ball score sheet is what you will use to keep score of all matches played. After league night, your score sheet will be submitted to your local APA league in whatever manner they have instructed. The score sheet will ensure that both you and your opponent's members are properly ranked. It's important that the score sheet be filled out neatly, completely, and correctly, and then signed by both team captains. Penalties will be assessed for repeated illegible, incomplete, or incorrect score sheets. You will notice that the 9-ball score sheet has information on both sides. One side contains rosters, standings, and next week's schedule. The opposite side is where you will actually keep score.